good morning. Let's read some sentences to practice the long vowel sound of the letter I. Okay? Sentence number 1. We have I can ride a bike. I can ride a bike. Sentence number 2. Repeat after me, okay? The girls will go for a ride bike. The girls will go for a ride bike. Sentence number 3. Max has 5 dimes. Max has 5 dimes. Next sentence. Children tie on a string. One more time. Children tie on a string. Sentence number 5. The tire on my bike is flat. One more time, a little bit faster. The tire on my bike is flat.